Hey guys, it's Vicki and welcome back to Courtroom Clapbacks. Today we're headed to Texas, where a gentleman is standing before Judge Stephanie Boyd. He could have gotten between 2 and 20 years for his multiple drunk driving offenses. But of course, there's a plea deal to be made, and this guy is all for it. Just let me off on probation, Judge. But when he hears Judge Stephanie's idea of what his probation's going to be, he's like, no, I'll just go to prison. Thank you very much. It's pretty dramatic. Let's walk into the courtroom now and watch the drama unfold. Have you got your popcorn? Did you hit like and subscribe if you want to hear more videos like this? Let's go into the courtroom now because court is in session.
Court is calling 2022 CR 3176, State versus Henry Lee Peterson. Can I have parties announced for the record
Bridget Garza for defense.
and for the state? And are you Mr. Peterson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Henry Lee Peterson who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 3176 for the offense of driving while intoxicated third or more on April 13, 2023 for a term of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Judge, will be proceeding on violation condition number 2, specifically the honor about the 14th day of March, 2026, in Berry County, Texas, to defendant Henry Lee Peterson, then and there consumed alcoholic beverages, namely beer, is violation condition number 2.
How do you plead to that?
Guilty.
True or not true? State.
And judge will be waiving the remaining violations.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Could I have the court summary, please? All right, this is what the court is going to do. And we had a conversation, both the defense and the state, and with probation off the record. And you said you wish to be continued as opposed to being sentenced. Is that correct? Are you asking for inpatient treatment?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is going to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include inpatient treatment with state ISF. Probation, do they do drug or just cognitive?
Either one. So right now, either track judge.
So he's can't do both?
No.
All right, so we'll do cognitive. And then that's going to be followed by ISP. Scram for full term. There should be no driving, full term. And there's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution and deduct 1 hour for every sober support meeting completed. Otherwise, you're doing the community service hours. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Probation, is there anything else? All right, you're going to remain in custody until transfer to ISF. Is there anything else?
What?
They should have had 5 years.
Oh, well, do you want the 5 years? Because you're the one who, this was already discussed.
You just want to do the 5 years?
I'll just stick to 5 years.
Okay, Judge.
All right, so state and defense, the court has entered a legal sentence. Are you asking the court to reconsider?
Yes, Your Honor.
And defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, on behalf of Mr. Peterson, because he has been on probation since 2023, and he did successfully complete one of the programs. We're asking the court to give Mr. Peterson a sentence of 4 years.
All right, the court stated the court would give 5 years. All right, the court will sentence you to 5 years. Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served, credit for any time served for successful inpatient treatment completion. Court will request the therapeutic community. There's to be a 2-year license suspension. All right, probation, is there any, and there's a $2,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, that was.
Yes.
All right, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal because this is a felony conviction. You're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. All right, when you get released, you had better find a treatment place. Otherwise, you're going to be right back here with another DWI. And it may be worse than this. You may end up killing somebody, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and the reason why your range of punishment beginning with was 2 to 20 was because of the enhancements for your previous DWIs. You're gonna have to change, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Well, there you have it. He would rather go to prison than to abide by Judge Stephanie's requirements for his probation, which include inpatient treatment, multiple follow-up testing and programs, an ankle monitor for the years that he's on probation, no driving at all through the years of probation, 200 hours of community service, and the only way he could get out of any of that is 1 hour deducted for each AA class he would attend. Heck no, I'm going to prison for 5 years. That sounds better to him. The defense asked for 4 years, and the judge is like, nope, I said 5 years, he's going for 5 years. So what do you guys think? Do you agree with what Judge Stephanie decided? Isn't it so sad what addiction does to people? I have never, been a drinker. And I don't want to compare what I'm going to say to an alcoholic, their addiction. But I mean, I've been to Weight Watchers so many times that I should have stock in the company. Addiction even to junk food, it's like, I don't know if you guys can relate, but like if somebody said, you're going to prison if you eat another sweet dessert, or if you overeat, or can you even imagine a life of having to say no to things that you're addicted to? How about if you watch, TV too much, if you whatever things that our brain and our lifestyle gets addicted to sometimes, and it's hard to even imagine. So when you think about someone who has depended on drugs and alcohol for years, and then it has to be cut off, you can only imagine, and some of you may have even experienced that, imagine what he is going through, the withdrawals, the body crying out for what the addiction is crying out for. I know it has to be so incredibly hard. So he needs prayer. He needs the Lord to help him, or if he doesn't turn to the Lord, a lot of people make it through AA, but even Alcoholics Anonymous calls upon a higher power. So anyway, it has to be his choice. And the parting words that Judge Stephanie gave him was, you are going to have to change. And nobody can do it but him. There is nothing, no program, nothing can do it but him deciding that he's come to the crossroads and he's ready to change. And that goes for anything in our life. We have to decide, this is it. I'm ready to change. I'm ready to call upon God. I'm ready to do the programs. I'm ready to do, get a sponsor. I'm ready to do whatever it takes. And it has to be that, or it's not going to change. Nothing changes until something changes. So anyway, what did you guys think about this case? I will read your comments, drop them below. And until next time, when we meet right here again for our next case, this court is adjourned.